So my story or our story with the CM Connect is regarding the issues of the deficit teaching and non-teaching staff who are teaching and working here in district headquarters of Eastern West Khasi Hills district. Somewhere I saw the advertisement of the CM Connect and I thought of making a call. Immediately I made a call to the CM Connect and there was an immediate and positive response regarding our issues. I made one call, but there was a number of positive calls from them which I'm very grateful, which soon it will solve our grievances and our issues. The teachers will be receiving their due, so it's very helpful. I'm very grateful really for the CM Connect. I thank the CM Connect team for the positive, amiable and supporting response. Thank you very much.
Habay keren bikin orang patai kubor hadian balawai ke jingelang jangka kenhun menteri ubak polong do ubalong nong ai ketian ke sarkar jela ulo ong baka amendment ne kejeng peklat mai ki kendon kalong ke badan kam ban peniap hari ke industrial zone ke bam shimla dan menchua bat kum tala dan kam ban wanra ke amendment jangka building bylaws ke industrial zone ulo ong kum bakalong mentak ladan bon ke bentak ke bedai bat kejeng penhe ke bayach kemat hagan new shillong kum ta kalong ke badan kam bha ban perkat bat ban penwan dor ke rukom ke badai bat kum tala dan kami ki kendon ke bethamai ke bylaws na ke bentak industrial zone halor ke jingkeli la ke sarkar kala itho ke industrial zone han new shillong ubak poleng do ulong ba ke sarkar kampat itho nrei ki jaka kum kamau khanu bat mau ke siang kila don ki jaka badan ki karkhana bat ki jaka ki latiat da ke sarkar.
One is the amendment of the Meghalaya building bylaws. This is broadly to facilitate the need to categorize the industrial zones into categories that were earlier not done, and also it involves amendment of the building bylaws for these industrial zones, and as you are aware, the expansion that is happening currently, especially in the New Shillong area, the new city, has to be planned in a very scientific manner, which is why we need this new set of bylaws for the industrial zones to be in place, and these were considered and approved by the cabinet.